In Seattle, and the wonderful thing about the Dreamliner 787 is the range that it has. He'll be making this flight in just one hop. He's giving you a little bit of a wave, Boeing 787 style.
The outfits barely meters apart from each other as they pass you. Ladies and gentlemen, don't blink those eyes. Get your cameras ready, focus to your front, and watch it all.
Captain Brian Duran from the USAF Pacific Air Force's C-17 aerial demonstration team.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Central Pacific to join us here today, demonstrating its capability to project global power to secure peace and security, not only to the nation, but throughout the world, on time. For more than 50 years,
The Smoky Bandits!
Here comes Smoky 5 as he directly flies through the center of the formation in an aileron roll.
A little bit about the aircraft you're seeing today, ladies and gentlemen, and 5 and 6 will lose sight of the formation. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this morning's flight.